Right guys, another board member of ours, Bharatwaj, has something to say to you guys.
Hi guys, greeting to all of you for this Republic Day. So I just wanted to state some of the critical needs for the country. The first thing is primarily we are progressing in life, the foreign market is going well, but the main thing which I thought was we are being outsourced too much. IT is a boon, but it's also a bane. Main thing is the companies are hesitating to open manufacturing units in India. They are trying to because it's cheaper, but they are not still recognizing the value and the mind of people. Another thing, it is the health. There's a lot of research which needs to be done for the health issues, and of course, main point is here at least people are able to encourage others. Say if one of your co-workers is doing a good job, you are able to encourage him. You are saying, yes, you are doing a good job. Whereas when we are in India, we are not able to do it. Probably it's the mentality of others also, which may force you not to do this. But encouragement is again a very important factor, which people are not, failing to realize. Because I've never felt the same when I was there. Whereas at least here, see, now we are able to come here. There's a lot of people who have come here for the flag hoisting, whereas there people come due to they are forced to come. Say when you are studying in school, you would have surely come for a flag hoisting, but when you are in college, you may not. That's pretty simple. It's not just the distance or anything. It is just the factor that you are being forced. Why people are forced? Because they are not coming. They are not patriotic enough. They'll have to realize few very important things. And another thing, progressing in life is not the only factor. The main factor is progressing with a value. The Indian culture is the most famous one in the world. People come to India to admire Indian culture, but how many people are following it? How is the tradition going on? It's decreasing. There's a lot of influence of Western culture, but the main problem is the influence of Western culture is the negative ones. It's not the positive ones. So that was again another factor. So on this date, we may even quote the lecture which was given by Rabindranath Tagore, which said the fulfilledness of man. The fulfilledness of man is the man who is fulfilled with all the qualities is not a powerful man. He is a man with perfection. Perfection is much more important than power. And of course, what he says is when you are progressing as a man in a country, it is like a tree without leaves. It's just a log, and it can burn. It can never bear fruits. It can never bear flowers. But when we have the thing called value, it is the most important thing. And by that, the log can even be converted as a tree. And that's what we want. We don't want India to be a log. We want India to be a tree. And by that can be done only through the values of us. And it's by encouragement. There are people like Mahatma Gandhi, they were shot. They were the main people of the country, but they were shot. Why? People are jealous. People are not motivating things. There are so many Mahatma Gandhis in India who are doing good work, but who is able to recognize them? Who is there to motivate them? And the motivation is the main factor. And if we want our country to be progressed in a particular aspect, we need to motivate things. We need to motivate people. There are, as ma'am told, there are so many young ignited people there. And of course our president is also dreaming out to 2020. The 2020 factor is there only if we motivate, or else it will be just a dream. And there will be a lot of presidents who will be coming after 5 years. But the main thing is we'll have to motivate. We'll have to include the values in us. It is not just the money. Money is available everywhere. Even if our economy booms like this, after some 20 years, we'll be US. But where is the factor? The factor is motivation and value. The value of life is the most important thing. Jai Hind.